Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to manage post, stories, and comment notifications on Instagram. Maybe you want to limit those notifications but you don't know how. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can manage post, stories, and comment notifications on Instagram. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then you'll be directed into your Instagram homepage. In here you will see this profile. Tap on this profile at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, once you're in your profile page, you will see here the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it and there will be an option that will appear. And here you will see settings and privacy. Tap on these settings and privacy. Once you tap on it, you will see here how you'll use Instagram. And here, select the notifications. And then in here, you'll see post, stories, and comments. Tap on it to manage its notifications. And then in here, you'll see the likes and comment on your photos of you, and then photos of you, and then comments, like, and pins. And then first post and stories. If you want to manage it, for example, the likes, if you don't want to receive likes notification, simply tap on this circle on the off side. And another example, if you don't want to receive notifications from likes, comments on photos of you, tap on this circle beside the off button. And you can also manage here. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage post, stories, and comments notifications, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage posts, stories, and comments notifications, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.